On Article 2, it is betrayal of public trust and graft and corruption. I would just like to take exception in accordance with what I stated yesterday. Page 34 includes the DepEd. And as I have stated, and I remind again, members of the Committee on Justice, that we have no jurisdiction over actuations of the former Secretary of the Department of Education. So, page 934, we say that the statement of corruption by grossly abusing discretionary authority over confidential funds appropriated to the OVP, that's fine. But the statement that DepEd is totally out of the jurisdiction of this committee, the actuations of the former secretary. Then on page, Madam Chair, on page 36, once again, 1223.3 paragraph, 125 million in DepEd confidential funds in the late 2022-2023. Again, DepEd, we cannot have jurisdiction over DepEd. The case of Duterte versus House of Representatives clearly state that the impeachable offenses must relate to the acts of the position and the office where the person is sought to be impeached. And we're not going to impeach the secretary of a department here, but there is an allegation against her as the vice president. So that is page 36.
I stand with my position that the Vice President, we should not distinguish between her position as Secretary of DepEd and Vice President by, again, citing the constitutional provision that under the Constitution, the Vice President may be appointed as member of the Cabinet and such appointment requires no confirmation. So meaning to say that the appointment of the Vice President as Secretary of DepEd is concurrent position. Hindi po siya ma-appoint doon if she were not the Vice President. And secondly, siya nga lang po ang nag-iisang Vice President, siya nga lang po ang nag-iisang Cabinet Secretary na hindi na kailangan ng confirmation. Precisely dahil siya po ay Vice President. And thirdly, in addition to those statements, and for the information of the body, the Vice President as Secretary of the DepEd is not receiving any allowance or emolument as Secretary of DepEd. Therefore, and it is very obvious na kaya po siya nandoon doon, again, because of her position as Vice President.